You've got nearly 12 identical frames from the same moment. Reviewing them one at a time, that's how you lose 20 minutes per shoot. Survey mode lets you compare up to 16 duplicates at once and pick the winner in seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to use survey mode to view and compare duplicate groups side by side, use keyboard shortcuts to rate and reject at speed, and to pair survey mode with spray can for maximum efficiency. To enter survey mode, press the N key. You can also find it in the View menu. Aftershoot will immediately display the current duplicate groups side by side up to 16 images at once. Each image shows its AI score badge, good, soft, or blur, so you can see at a glance which frames are the strongest. Click any image to zoom in for a closer look. Click again to zoom back out. Use the left and right arrow keys to move between duplicate groups. Aftershoot's key face detection will highlight which face in the group is sharpest, so you're not squinting at thumbnails to find the winner. You can rate images directly in survey mode. Press 1 to 5 to set a star rating on the selected image. Press P to flag it as a pick, or press X to clear its rating and remove it from your selects. Press S to swap the selected image with the AI's current winner. Work through each group. Pick the winner, clear the rest, move on, and repeat. Survey mode becomes even more powerful when you pair it with spray can mode. Activate spray can with Command-Option-K on the Mac or Control-Alt-K on Windows. Set the left click to select and the right click to reject. Now you can click through an entire duplicate group without ever touching the keyboard. For large bursts, first looks, ceremony kisses, reception dancing, this is the fastest way to work. Here's what that looks like in real time. 12 images, 3 seconds, the winner selected, duplicates ignored, next group. Multiply that across hundreds of bursts of groups in a wedding, and you can see why survey mode is one of the most used features in Aftershoot. Want to take spray can mode even further? In the next video, we'll do a full deep dive on spray can mode, including how to set up custom actions for multi-category sorting. Survey mode is one of those features you'll wonder how you ever culled without it. Try it on your next shoot and let us know how much time you saved. Subscribe for more Aftershoot power user tutorials.